gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
As we unveil the logo for 80th anniversary for Remo Secondary School, Shagam. Ladies and gentlemen, happy 10th anniversary. Happy 20th anniversary. Happy 30th anniversary.
Happy 30th anniversary.
Happy 35th anniversary.
Happy 35th anniversary.
Happy 48th anniversary.
Happy 48th anniversary.
Happy 45th anniversary.
Happy 45th anniversary.
Happy 50th anniversary.
Happy 50th anniversary.
Happy 55th anniversary.
Happy 55th anniversary.
Happy 60th anniversary.
Happy 60th anniversary.
Happy 65th anniversary.
Happy 65th anniversary.
Happy 67th anniversary.
Happy 67th anniversary.
Happy 68th anniversary.
Happy 68th anniversary.
Happy 69th anniversary.
Happy 69th anniversary.
Happy 70th anniversary.
Happy 70th anniversary.
Happy 71st anniversary.
Happy 71st anniversary.
72 anniversary. 73 anniversary. 75 anniversary. 78th anniversary. 79th anniversary. Happy 80th anniversary. Let us second this month 80. Let us second this month 80. The pride of Africa is 80. The first co-education institution of school. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it lovely? You can see the multicolors. RSS shall continue to shine brighter and brighter. You can see the green for prosperity. Yes, Remo Secondary School shall continue to prosper. That means you are leading. You can see the Remo. Remo is for brightness, flourishment. RSS shall continue to flourish. This on behalf of the incredible experts will present to you the insignia, the logo for Remo Secondary School at 80.